Hi guys, today I thought I would do a requested video because so many of you guys are sending me requests like do a video on this topic, do a video on that topic, and I have been so busy lately that I have a list of at least 4 pages in a Word document about topics on which I still have to make a video, so I'm gonna try to start doing that now. So today will be about how Lookie got her name. If you hear some noise, that's my boyfriend's youngest daughter playing outside with the dog, and she's 10 years old and she's like a little whirlwind, so I apologize for the noise you might hear. So yeah, how did Lookie get her name? First of all, let me spell out right here how you spell the word Lookie. So it's pronounced Lookie. To be honest, it's really simple actually. Most people here in Belgium tend to give their birds of prey a Native American name, like Ayla, Loki, not Lookie, but Loki, Mestli, Sumki. And most falconers here in Belgium tend to choose names with the sounds oo and e in the name, because apparently owls react best to the sounds oo and e. Apparently, oo and e are sounds that they hear the best. But because you never know in advance whether your owl is going to be male or female, when it comes out of the nest you have no idea of knowing, I kind of had to choose a name that would be suitable for a female as well as a male. And I went looking on the internet for Native American names that can be used for both boys and girls, but I couldn't find any. Especially not because I wanted a name with oo and e in it. And I just couldn't come up with an original cool owl name. I just wasn't able to do it. And I started thinking, okay, my owl has really big black eyes. And here in Belgium we have a saying, if you think that someone has really beautiful eyes, we have a saying that says, wow, she's got them nice big lookers. You know, your eyes are used to look at something, so we just say, wow, you have really beautiful lookers. I'm translating it obviously into English now. We don't say lookers. In Dutch we say kijkers, because to look is kijken. Kijk. When we say, oh, look, we say, oh, kijk. So, een kijker is an eye in English. I feel like I'm making this really complicated when it's actually super simple. I just wanted to say that I was thinking, okay, my owl has really beautiful big eyes with which it can look at things. And I was like, well, I want oo and e in the name, so I'm just going to call her Lookie. To look. Lookie. Honestly, I think this is a really lame name, but she responds to it very well, and yeah, that's why I called her Lookie. And that is how she got her name. It's such a stupid story, but you guys asked for it, so yeah, this video is going to be so short. I'm like, well, was this the whole story? I think it was. Oh yeah, there's still, oh, she's stretching her wing. Owl gymnastics. You're so flexible. There's still one thing I can tell you guys. The reason I called her Lookie and not Loki is because my mentors already had an owl called Loki, and I hope that was not on my shirt or on my hair. Did you poop on my hair? Ugh. Ew. I don't think she pooped on me. Good job. Anyway, as you guys know, I followed a falconer's training with my mentors, and I had to go to them every week to learn how to fly with several birds of prey. and they thought it might be confusing if I called her Loki as well, because whenever I would call Loki, the other bird would think it was being called. And yeah, also I didn't want to be a copycat, so I decided to call her Lookie. And you know, I'm used to the name, she's used to the name. Yeah, but I think it's really lame. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I think it's a really lame story, but you guys asked for it. Let me know in the comments down below how you would call your owl if you would have one. Okay, I see you guys later. Bye! I'm being attacked. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Bye!